Today in Truckopolis School, the young monster trucks learned all about opposites. When two ideas are as different can be, we call those opposites.
Yeah!
Opposites are easy to learn once you get the hang of it.
Yahoo!
Oh. It looks like Boom Boom may have taken hang of it a little too far.
Oops. Thanks, Ollie. I should learn to be careful like you.
On their way home, the trucks were excited to show off all the opposites they had learned at school. Now, it's time for some monster truck fun!
Yeah!
As Bolt speeds higher and higher on a construction beam, he practices going up,
Wahoo!
while Boom Boom demonstrates going down.
Oof.
Oh, Boom Boom, how did you get down there?
Oh, don't ask.
Down is the opposite of up. Down is the opposite of up.
Yes!
Careful Ollie drives slowly through the streets of Truckopolis.
I like to go slow. Whee!
Meanwhile, Ladybug and Buzz prefer to drive fast.
Faster!
Whoa!
Fast is the opposite of slow. Fast is the opposite of slow. Ladybug moves ahead of Buzz. Now she is in front and Buzz is behind.
I'm right behind you.
Front is the opposite of behind. Front is the opposite of behind. Now they are racing in the same direction, but Ladybug turns left while Buzz turns right. Left is the opposite of right. Left is the opposite of right.
That was fun!
In order to help Boom Boom, Star must go past the hole and then stop. Go is the opposite of stop. Go is the opposite of stop.
Yes!
Instead of going forward, Star backs up to the opening. Back is the opposite of forward. Back is the opposite of forward.
I'll help you, Boom Boom. Grab my toy.
Boom Boom was stuck in the hole, but thanks to Star's kindness, Boom Boom is now out of the hole.
Woohoo! I'm out.
Out is the opposite of in. Out is the opposite of in.
Yeah!
Star and Boom Boom are near the hole that Boom Boom fell in,
Be careful, Boom Boom.
while the other monster trucks are far away. Near is the opposite of far. Near is the opposite of far. There's a very large pipe in the road. Ladybug skids around the pipe,
Wahoo!
while Dragon drives straight through it. Around is the opposite of through. Around is the opposite of through. Bolt jumps clear over the pipe.
Over!
But, of course, Ollie decides to drive carefully under the pipe.
Under.
Over is the opposite of under. Over is the opposite of under.
Woohoo!
Bolt just landed on Ollie. Bolt is now on top, and Ollie is on the bottom.
Thanks for the lift, Ollie.
Top is the opposite of bottom. Top is the opposite of bottom.
Yeah! Wahoo!
Paying attention in opposites class has definitely paid off for the monster trucks. They are doing awesome! The road is splitting. 4 of the trucks decided to turn, while the others stay straight. Turn is the opposite of straight. Turn is the opposite of straight.
Yeah!
Ollie, Buzz, and Dragon take the lower road, while Bolt, Ladybug, Boom Boom, and Star take the higher road. High is the opposite of low. High is the opposite of low.
Curvy roads are so much fun.
Uh-oh. Eek! Oh.
Uh-oh, maybe too much curvy fun for Boom Boom.
Are you okay, Boom Boom?
Yeah, I am just a little tired.
I think it's time to go home.
It's been an exciting day in Truckopolis for all these young trucks. Luckily, all roads lead home where they can refuel and rest their tired engines.
Yeah!
Tomorrow waits with more fun adventures.
Bye.
The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round, all day, day long. The doors on the truck go open and close, open and close, open and close. The doors on the truck go open and close, all day long. The shocks on the truck go up and down, up and down, up and down. The shocks on the truck go up and down all day long. The wipers on the truck go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The wipers on the truck go back and forth all day, day long. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 beep. The horns on the truck go beep, 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 all day long. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 vroom. The engine on the truck goes vroom, 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 all day, day long. The wheels on the truck go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the truck go